Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll, and today I come to you with the Babs doll, and we're going to talk about her and what's been going on with her. Alright, so let me just see where my camera is here. Alright, yeah, we're doing pretty good right there. Just want to make sure you're seeing her. There we go. Alright, so last night I worked on her one hand here, and whatever was coming off her hand just stunk, and I didn't want to do any more inside the shop, but a lot of the big pieces fell off of her here, and so I took the Dremel and I went around and just took off what I could here. So she's looking pretty good, but what I'm going to do is Millie Putt this again. I don't know what this brown stuff is. Whatever it is, it stunk really bad. So I thought I'm taking this out to the outside on the table to do the other arm and to finish this one up. Oh, this one's pretty much, I think, done. I think we'll just go off into the next one here. So I got to turn her around and face her the other direction. So I did wipe her down with some linseed oil, and she did get a nice little bath with that. You can see her number a lot better now, September 22nd, 1919. So yeah, pieces just fell off, and it might just do it with this as well. So be prepared, be ready, I say. So let's go at this. What it reminds me of is in the dentist. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm sitting in the dentist chair again, you know. I think it's what it is. To me, what this might just be is just dried up plaster, clay. Oh yeah, this just came all off yesterday. So we're just going to take that off. There we go. Good. Got it off. There we go. And I think I'm going to take this one off too. We're going to go back over to that one and just get it right up to there. Let's do that right now. The ants. Let's see if this will just come off now. The other stuff just peeled off. It's just like no problem. Like a banana, just the peeling just came off. No problem whatsoever. And this stuff is being a little bit more stubborn. That stuff just came right off. Oh, she's just stopping right back onto the body again, but oh well. There we go. Well, that just flew off. There. Wow. Okay. All right, seeing this here. Now that they're off, they're cleaned up to the best. That's what I need them to be. All right, so now I've got them right down, what we'll say right down to the bone here, I guess we can say. And I just don't want no more chipping off of them. So I can go from here now. I just didn't want to do that inside the shop. Even though it did make them all dirty again. I'll just wipe them down. Give them a nice wipe with a fiber rag, and we're ready to move to the next step now. Now is going back into the shop and making the hands for these little gals. This little gal, I should say. I don't have more than just one. One is all I need of, like, in this state of the game. All right, so yeah, she looks really nice. I think she's ready to go, you know. So we got this all looking nice here. So what I want to do now is milli put this and then bring this out just out to here, and then start building the back of the hand and the palm of the hand. So I talk a lot. We'll see what happens here. All right, thanks for joining me. Tomorrow I'm going to be gone just overnight, and we'll be back on Thursday, and I'm hoping to have this up tonight for you, and I might take some videos of our trip, just our little trip to where we're going, and yeah, for my daughter's birthday. So anyways, which isn't yet, it's coming up. And thank you for the birthday wishes for her. She really enjoyed hearing that. So anyways, thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.